Here's how to change the security settings for your staff members. Using the Springboard menu, navigate to the Employees menu. Once in the Employees menu, locate and select the option titled Designations. This will take you to a section where you can customize permissions for different staff designations. Within the Designations section, you'll see a list of different designation groups. Click on the relevant designation for which you want to customize permissions in the field to the right. After customizing permissions for different designations, proceed to the Manage Employees option in the menu. Here, you'll find a list of all staff members. Find the staff member for whom you want to assign specific designations and click on their name. Within the staff member's profile, assign designations. After assigning the desired designation See As, make sure to save the changes to the staff member's profile by clicking on the checkmark icon. By following these steps, you should be able to modify security settings for your staff by customizing permissions for different designations and assigning specific designations to individual staff members as needed.